as said by our Honorable Prime Minister, that India is progressing and we are becoming more and more strong in economy and every field of life, like sports and ease of doing business and the economic growth. We are becoming more strong and resilient in the global economic growth trajectory, as we are the fastest moving economy in the world economic system, in the particularly among the large economies. So we are shortly going to become the third largest economy in the coming years, as we grow fast, and our growth is more than 8% during the last 3 years, growing at 9.7% in 21-22, thereafter 7% in 22-23, and last year 8.2% in 23-24. So going forward, our growth will remain intact in the coming years also, with the support of many policies for the banking sector, policies for the infrastructure, policies for the manufacturing, and we are becoming resilient in each and every process of the manufacturing and exports. So going forward, our expectations are that India will become Viksit Bharat by 2047, as said by Honorable Prime Minister, that we have a great opportunity to become more and more resilient, robust in the global ecosystem. तो सभी के लिए ये एक बहुत बड़ा संदेश है जो हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी ने दिया है कि भारत इस समय पे एक बहुत ही प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेज में है। आने वाले टाइम में जब हम विकसित भारत बनेंगे 2047 तक, हमारे लिए बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, हर एक वर्ग के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है, चाहे वो युवा वर्ग है, चाहे वो मध्यम वर्ग है, हर एक किसी के लिए बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्रिएट की गई हैं। और जो हमारी ग्रोथ है, जो हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं, जो हमारी कैपिटल मार्केट है, जो हमारे एक्सपोर्ट्स हैं, जो हमारा डिज़ाइन इंजीनियरिंग है, और जो हमारी इनोवेशन है, जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट है, ऑल दीज डेवलपमेंट्स आर moving forward with growth, more and more strong trajectory. So in the coming times, India will be more strong and resilient with the support of many policies provided by the government, and this is a great opportunity for each and every citizen to move forward and to celebrate our 100 years of independence by 2047.